Hi my friends, today we model this part. It has some teeth, not standard teeth, and a lot of fillets. The dimensions are in the drawing, so you can consider everyone in order to create the model. We start by creating this sector without the teeth, and we use this angle 120 degrees, this distance of radius 63.3 and 71.3, and depth is 20. Good. New standard millimeters IPT, new 2D sketch, XY plane, and we draw two lines. 1, 2. They are equal, and we have to project the vertical line as a construction line. Then we apply symmetry, selecting this line about this axis. The angle is 120, and this length is 71.3. Then we create an arc with center to be so, as you can see, and another one arc at a radius of 63.3 from that end to this end. Now we have a fully constrained sketch, but we apply split only to have a single area to apply extrude. Extrude symmetrical 20. Good. We continue by creating only one tooth, this one, with dimensions here 5.2 for this radius, 6.7 radius, 10. You see that this line is parallel with this line, and this goes to the center, so we have something here. From this point, this to the center is this line, and then another line with an axis here going to the center. Be careful. Good. This is the plane, and now we draw another arc with the center here, the radius of 81, and not very big. I move this near this area, and we draw a line from the center to this midpoint. This is construction. Then we draw a small line here, not aligned with this edge, but parallel with this. Here. I press the left button and I go to that arc here. Then I apply trim to these ends and mirror of the two entities about this mirror line. Apply. Trim again here. This distance is 5.2. This arc or the other is 10. I apply parallel between this and this, and I move the side. Now I can place the dimension of 6.7. We have a fully constrained sketch. Finish sketch, extrude to this face. Okay, and the first tooth is present. Now we have to place that 12 teeth. If we use the circular pattern and we select the last feature and this axis with 12, but not around all the circle, but 120, we have something bad. What is this here? So we have to apply another angle, not 120, but 120 minus this angle. We have to measure somehow that angle. I apply Ctrl Z, and we have to eliminate the last gap between the two teeth. To do this, I apply measure with M from Monaco. I select this face and this face, and I want to have better precision, not this one. I go here, and for angles I apply all decimals. You see, this is an important value for us. I select this, I copy and close. Then I apply circular pattern of the last feature about this axis, and I place here 12 and an expression instead of 360. The expression is paste that value minus parenthesis 120 minus again that value. I close parentheses and you see that this is very aligned. This line is over that line because this is not collinear. This line is not collinear with this, but this line is coincident with the other. Okay, there is an angle here, my friends. I told you about. This is an angle. Good. Next is this body, cylindrical, with dimensions 40 and 27.5. We use the plane XY, the midplane of this, for a new sketch, and a circle with a diameter of 44. You see here, this is 44. Good. Finish sketch, extrude, not symmetrical, asymmetric. This is 27.5 and the other is 40 minus 27.5. Okay. There is a flat face, this one with this thickness, with a thickness of 10, and this is the XY plane for us. So we have to create that flat area. We use the plane XY, F7, we draw a line from this point. You see green, this means that the point is accepted and used. Finish sketch. Oh, I have to project this. Project this arc. Finish sketch. Extrude. Symmetrical of 10. Okay. The part has also some void areas. This is 15 or this, and the radius 5, and here is also 15. Good. We create one of that areas. These are the two. I project this arc, F7. I extend the two lines here. I also project this line because I want to apply parallel. I hope this is vertical. Yes, it is. Parallel this with this. Then I apply fillets of 5 between these two, a dimension of 15 here, 15, another dimension of half of 15, 15 divided by 2, and I draw an arc with this center, this start point, and this end point. Why? Because I have to apply fillet also here and here. With this projection I cannot create that fillets. This is construction, no problem. We have a closed area, only one closed area, and the sketch is fully constrained. Finish sketch, extrude, symmetrical all the way through the part with cut. Okay, now mirror of the last feature about this plane. Okay, now we have to create these ribs. Yes, they are on both sides. Dimensions are here, and you see 16, 2, 2, and the thickness of 5. This is placed on the on this face, and this on this face. Let's do this. We use this face for a new sketch. We project this line, the generator, the face, and the face. F7. Then we draw a line from a point, not the midpoint, a point of this line to the other side. Then a line to somewhere here, another line from this point to other face. Then we place a point on this line, another point on this line. We make coincident this point with this line, this point with this line, because we have to place 16 for this, and this 16 must be placed on the with the center point on the same vertical or horizontal. Yes, this is horizontal. This two must be on the same vertical, and this goes here. Then we apply 2 millimeters from this point to this side, 2. We draw another line between these two entities, a point here and a line and the other, and now we have something very interesting. This is construction. Finish sketch, extrude this area the other direction 5, but join. 5 is the thickness. Okay, you see the result. We apply mirror of the last feature about this plane. Okay, to place it also at the other end of the part. Now we can copy the sketch from the previous extrusion, copy, then we use this plane for a new sketch, F7, and we paste that sketch here. You see, it is interesting because it has some ghost lines, but we know that we have to place this point to the midpoint of this. We project this line and we place the midpoint to midpoint, and we have the same sketch here, but with 9 dimensions needed. I let you place that dimensions, and we use the same area for applying extrude. Extrude symmetrical of 5. Okay. Next is this hole of 25. Hole, face, center, 25 through the part. The other hole is this one, 8 outside, 90 degrees, and 6 millimeters the hole. Let's do this. We use the plane XY, F7, we draw a line to somewhere here, up, sloped, left and back. This is a center line. This angle is 90 divided by 2. This is 6. And now we project this contour, because we have to place tangent this line on the contour, and we place a point on the line coincident with this projection. The projection must be construction, and we apply the dimension of 8 between the point and the axis. Fully constrained sketch. Finish sketch, revolve with cut. OK. The last features are fillets. All undimensioned fillets are radius 3. You see here another value, radius 5, but the other undimensioned, which are a lot of them, are radius 3. Let's do this and be careful with the large number of fillets. This edge with 3, then other edges, many other edges. Not simple, but very nice. This is not. I keep press the control, the shift button to eliminate it. This is the one I wanted to select. This is another one. This is another one. And I don't know if I placed all of them. Maybe this and this to be other. This is the problem with a lot of fillets when the part is made in proper procedures. I cannot select this. Why? Here is placed. Let me use another shift. I kill this. Oh, because there is no other. Okay, I hope that's all. It's not all. I select also this with 3 again. Now that's all. Let's see what about the volume. I copy this. Okay. I go to the drawing, double click and paste. There is a difference and you will find out what fillet is missing. Okay, let's apply the material, still cast the color, general color, which is smooth light orange, and some faces to be machined. 3 faces, still polished, and also here this and this polished. Now if I apply view and shaded, not shaded with edges, and also default lights, we can compare the two. Oh, and we see here a missing fillet. Missing. You see, I apply once again 3 to these 3 edges, and also these 3. Good. Beside this, I noticed another error to be eliminated. The error is here at this sketch. I turn this to be in proper position, this position, F7. I missed the dimension of 2 millimeters here, and this is a fully constrained sketch. Why? Because this point is on the same line with this, and we don't want to have this. I eliminate this. Now I can move, not at this one. Now I can move this anywhere. I project again this line. I move the point, the end here, and I place that 2 millimeters distance to finish sketch. Now we have another volume for this part. Let's see. Properties, physical, update, copy, close, drawing, double click, and now the new volume is this one. I suppose this is identical with the previous one, but no problem. Important is that we made this part together with errors, without errors, and we have that volume. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.